I know I look funny, but trust the process. Hi, I'm Rashina, a celebrity hair and makeup artist, and I've been in the industry for 10 years. So trust me, I have seen it all when it comes to viral beauty hacks. Some I've tried, some I have been skeptical about. But today with Beauty Squad, I am gonna give it a shot to all of these so that you don't have to. So the first hack we are trying is color correcting the under eye with a blush. So we'll be using a coral blush. Our under eye has a blue undertone to it, and which is why it looks dark and dull. So to neutralize it, when we use a coral or orange or peachy color, it will neutralize the depth and color correct. But today, in this hack, we've been using a blush. I'm taking a little blush out, make a couple of dots on my under eyes. I think that should be good. And I'm gonna take a smaller brush and blend this a little bit. It's already neutralizing the depth if you actually see. Let's see how this does with a concealer on top. I'm taking the concealer on the back of my hand. Again, with the same brush, I'm going over the blush that we used. I'm actually surprised a blush can work so well. You can literally replace your color corrector with a blush. This is amazing. I quite like this trend, guys. I didn't believe in it. It's probably also the color. You know, the color is so nice and orangey. It has right amount of orange pigment that's making the under eye look so normal and neutral. And it's neutralizing the undertone. Check this out. You can clearly see the difference. Oh, by the way, I haven't set it at all with a powder and it doesn't look like it needs any. This formulation is quite impressive. The next hack we are doing is a concealer highlight. Can you really highlight your face with concealer? Let's check it out. I'm taking a full coverage concealer from Studio West. I'm gonna put a dot on the under eye, dash on the outer corner, dot on the nose, dash around the nose, and a dash on the sides of the face. And now I'm just blending it all out. All the lines, everything that you see here needs to be blended out completely. The reason we put here is because we want to lift the entire face, not just this part but also from here. And you see this side and you see this. It's very different yet. And make sure you're lifting it. You can clearly see that my face is looking lifted because of this. This hack is a big yes from me. I use it all the time because it's so easy to lift people's faces. It's amazing. I love it. For the next hack, we are going to be using this. And it's not an eating hack. We are going to do a contour with this. Keep it at your cheekbone. Right under it, we'll be creating the contour line. And make sure the contour line is starting right from your ear and goes between your nose and the lip. That's an ideal one. Another way you can figure out is feeling the hollowness right below your cheekbone. Okay, so keeping it here, creating a line all the way, and now we blend. I am not sure how I feel about this. This is too much. I like my contour not showing like it's there. These lines, this is too much product. This hack is not doing it for me. But I'll show you what I like to do. I'm going to take the other side of the brush, which is the cleaner side, take some product, take off the excess from the brush, and now, like I said, hold your cheekbone and go under it. You'll feel the hollowness. That is your contour area, okay? Now we start contouring very softly, going back and forth. Here you can actually go in sweeping motion, okay? And I'm bringing the contour a little towards my lip. You see how the contour is making my face look a little more chiseled? But check this out. It's a soft contour, whereas look at this. It's too much. Best thing about the Sculpt Stick from Nuon is that it is a cool undertone contour which you really need. Okay, no matter what your undertone is, even if you're a warm undertone gal or a boy, you need a contour that is a cool undertone. Only then it will look like this. Otherwise, it's gonna start looking very warm and not very pleasant. I've made this mistake and I've learned through practice. No one's gonna teach you this, so write that down. This hack wasn't really worth it, but I gave you another option that you could do. The next hack we are trying is putting blush all over the face and then put a foundation. It's actually the opposite of what I'm used to, but let's try it out. Okay, we are gonna trust the process. Let's wait for this. I'm just blending it enough so that it looks smooth. This hack did have a lot of blush on it because there's foundation coming on it. I'm just gonna blend and pray. Make sure you shake your foundation bottle well before you use it. I'm taking the foundation of my shade and going over it. It's not that bad. I just feel I have to use a lot more foundation than I'm used to. This doesn't look too bad, but I'm not a big fan of layering so much. This is really too much and it'll become too cakey after some time once it completely settles. So this hack is a no for me. Next hack we are trying is concealing the lip before putting a lipstick. The reason we do that is to get an evenness on the lip. Especially if your lips are really pigmented, it's a really good hack. I'm using the same concealer that I've been using and I'm gonna make a few dots like on the outer corners, and I'm just gonna blend it out. So you can see it has already reduced the intensity of the depth around my lips. And now over this, I'm gonna put a lipstick. Make sure that your lips are well hydrated, because if they are not, it's gonna look way more drier and concealer is not going to help. And for that, I'm gonna use this Fetish Matte lipstick in the shade Blush. I'm applying all over the lip. Wow, the color is quite opaque. When I'm doing a neutral lip, I don't like to have very strong edges. So what I'm gonna do is just blur out the edges with my finger. It's a really soft, velvety feel, but a matte finish. I love the color. It's great for Indian skin tones. And to finish the makeup overall, I'm just gonna put the same color on my cheeks and blend it. Little on the chin and little on the eyes too. This hack I used to do when I just started using makeup, maybe some 12-13 years back, and honestly I have never stopped using this trick. I used to do this trend even before it was a trend. This hack is great for makeup beginners because one product can be used all over the face, and if you have a couple of products, you have a couple of different looks. We have tried all these crazy viral beauty hacks. Some of these viral hacks were genius and some of them were complete chaos. But hey, now you know what to save on your folder and what to delete. If this video saves some time, money, or your eyebrows, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if there are some hacks that I haven't tried and you'd like me to, leave a comment. The weirder, the better. This is Rishina signing off.